Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you that how you can fix your TikTok loading screen. So basically, first of all, you have to understand that why you got your TikTok screen loading. So first of all, as you can see, there is a loading of it will you can see it will take a little bit time for loading. So basically loading is because of many reasons. First of all, low poor internet connection. So increased cache data. So I will tell you that how you can fix your loading TikTok screen. So first of all, just simply close your TikTok and open it up again. So it can might solve your problem and fix your loading screen of your TikTok. If it is not working, then go for your internet check your internet connection and fix it. So sometimes the internet problems cause the TikTok screen to loading. So if it is also not working, so then you can go for free up space. So from here you have to clear the cache. So by clearing the cache, it can also free up some space and junks that can cause your TikTok to work more frequently. So basically, there is no any proper reason for the TikTok loading screen. So these are some methods and types that I will tell you that how you can fix your TikTok loading screen. So that's it. That's what in this video I want to tell you. So thanks for watching this video.